Today I'll be sharing 10 tips to help you eat a healthy diet. My challenge for you is to choose one that you will do today. Tip number 1. Always dish, then eat. Don't eat straight from the container. Decide how much you want to eat, dish it out, and then close the bag before you eat. This way, you'll be aware of how much you are eating and won't mindlessly overeat. Number 2. Try to eat at regular times. Waiting too long in between meals may make it easier to overeat at the next meal. Having meal times you stick to will make it easier for you to plan your meals and develop a habit, and your body may get used to eating during certain times. 3. Serve yourself initially a smaller amount of food at meals, because you can always get more. Eat slowly and enjoy the food. It can take your brain some time to realize that your stomach is full. This will help you eat a healthy amount of food. Number 4. Allow yourself to have treats. It's okay to have sweet or fatty foods in moderation. Studies have shown that this may make you more successful at keeping your goals. Note, however, that this is not your ticket to eat whatever you want. It is okay to have treats in reasonable amounts on occasion, but not all the time. Number 5. Plan ahead. Plan the meals and snacks that you have control over each week. Many people do this once a week. This will help you stick to your goals, and it will be easier to make sure that you buy everything you need from the grocery store so that you have healthy food on hand. To make this even easier, see if there's a plan that you can follow every week. For example, always eating a handful of nuts after practice on Mondays. Then you will know that every week you need to make sure you have nuts on hand, and you won't need to spend so much mental energy deciding every night what to eat. Number 6. Prepare food in bulk. If you're cutting up a melon, carrots, or other produce that keeps well, cut it all up and put it in the fridge for an easy snack. If you have enough containers, try packaging some fruits and vegetables in 1-cup containers to make easy grab-and-go snacks and lunches. Try doubling cooked dishes like pasta, rice, and stir-fry, and eat in the second portion later in the week or as a healthy snack. Number 7. Make some simple substitutions. Every time you choose to eat something, there is usually more than one choice. Instead of chips, try eating a handful of nut. For your sandwich tomorrow, reach for the multigrain or whole wheat bread instead of the white bread. At some fast food restaurants, you can even substitute a salad or fruit for the fries for the same price or only slightly more. Number 8. Add extras to foods that you don't like as much. When you start eating healthier food, you may not initially like it as much as the foods you're used to. You can add dips, cheese, or small amounts of sweetener to make it more tasty and closer to what you're used to. Try jam or honey in plain yogurt, hummus ranch dressing or melted cheese on vegetables, or salsa on bean and rice burrito bowls. Each of these quote-unquote helps can be part of a healthy diet when eaten in moderation. 9. Visit the grocery store or your local farmer's market and find a new fruit or vegetable. What about a purple cauliflower or some other vegetable you've never seen? Take it home and eat it. If you're not sure how to prepare it, go ahead and look it up online. The internet is a great resource when it comes to preparing fruits and vegetables. Better yet, make the farmer's market a weekend activity with your friends. Often there are other things you can do and see there as well, such as live music and local artists. Plus, you'll be getting outside and moving around. Number 10. Try a new food from another culture. When we eat food from a different culture, we consume different nutrients that aren't a large part of our normal diet. Find a healthy recipe online from a culture that interests you. Try cooking something with a friend that comes from the region of a language that you are learning, or ask a friend from somewhere different than you what a favorite food from their culture is, and ask if you can cook it together. I hope that you found one of these ideas inspiring. Did you choose one to try? Challenge yourself to make a plan today to try one of them. For more information about school lunches and eating a healthy diet, please check out Project Lunchbox's YouTube channel and website. We're also on Instagram. Happy eating!